Welcome to the World Drone Market channel. Today's video is an unboxing of the Skydroid G12. The G12 is suitable for video transmission, data transmission and control of unmanned devices such as helicopters, fixed-wing aircraft, multirotors, vehicles and boats. Skydroid's ground station has undergone significant optimization based on the tower platform, offering a better interactive interface and a broader map view. It allows the operator to control aircraft for intelligent waypoint planning, automatic execution, auto-follow and one-key return to home, greatly improving task efficiency in professional fields while supporting third-party ground station development. The packaging is exquisite and portable with a two-layer design. Foam padding is included to prevent product damage during transportation, ensuring the product arrives intact. The Skydroid G12 drone remote controller is a cutting-edge product designed for drone enthusiasts and professionals. With its advanced features and innovative technology, it offers an unparalleled remote control experience. The G12 has dimensions of 194.3 mm, 282.2 mm, 94.9 mm and weighs 683 g. It features 64 GB of system storage and supports dynamic frequency hopping. The device has 4 GB of operating memory. The G12 series uses a Qualcomm 6nm processor and is equipped with an embedded Android 13 system. It operates smoothly, features an open ecosystem, and supports the installation of most apps on the market. It adopts a new high-power, high-bandwidth 2.45.8G dual-band wireless module, supporting automatic frequency hopping and MCS self-dynamic adjustment, with video and data transmission distances of up to 20 kilometers. With a 1920x1080 resolution, a 5.5-inch high-brightness display, and an ultra-high screen-to-body ratio, it remains clear even under sunlight, ensuring real-time information is easily visible. The G12 supports SIM card ports, USB ports, Type-C ports, PPM ports and other rich interfaces, provides an SDK development kit, supports video floating, and is compatible with mainstream flight control ground stations. The high-energy density lithium-ion battery can work for 4-8 hours on a full charge. Its robust design ensures reliability in the wild. Compared to the H12 Pro with 2.4 GHz, the G12 supports dual-frequency automatic switching between 2.4 GHz and 5.8 GHz. Additionally, the G12 is equipped with Skytech's self-developed wireless HD video transmission technology, integrating remote control, data, and video transmission with adaptive frequency bands that automatically switch to the least interfered frequency. The communication range reaches up to 20 kilometers. The GR01 Sky Terminal has dimensions of 45.5 mm, 60 mm, 21.5 mm and weighs 37 g. It is equipped with a fan for efficient heat dissipation. It operates in the 2.4G, 5.8G frequency bands and has a power supply voltage range of 7.2-72 V. The operating current is 12 V 300 mA, and the air interface data rate ranges from 200 kilobits per second to 160 megabits per second. The RF output power is 23 dBm, with channel bandwidth options of 1.25 MHz, 2.5 MHz, 5 MHz, 10 MHz, 20 MHz and 40 MHz. 2.45.8 GHz antennas. Feeder cable. Receiver power cable. PIX data transmission cable. Non-centered joystick module. Standard fast charger. Type-C data cable. That's everything in the box. Thank you for watching. For more information, stay tuned to the World Drone Market channel. See you in the next video.